Hello Facebook, YouTube, CJ here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the Passlock system on a 2003 Chevy Impala. This happened to me 4 times where I went to start the vehicle and it wouldn't start, just no crank or anything. And plus the security light on the dash was blinking. This is because there's something wrong with the Passlock system on the car, and if you don't have the money to get it fixed, here's a fix that will help you temporarily. What you do, put the key in the ignition, turn to the on position. This light right here that says security should be blinking. If that light is blinking, go here to your radio. Push the display button, hold it in for a few seconds. Settings menu should pop up. Okay, use your seek button, scroll to original set. Once you've got an original set, hit the next button, go to set all. Hit display. As of now, your car's Passlock system has been reset. Once you've done that, go to your exit menu, hit display, take the key out the ignition, wait 10 minutes. It will tell you when your 10 minutes is up when this clock turns off. After the clock turns off, this red light is blinking after 3 seconds intervals. That shows that your theft system is active in the car, activated. After 10 minutes, once this clock goes off, put the key in the ignition again, turn to on. This light is not blinking as of now. That means your car is reset. Start the car. Hope this helps. This is to reset the Passlock system on a 2003 Chevy Impala. It usually works on most GM models from 1999 to 2005. Hope this helps. God bless.